So if you have debts and you want to learn how to eliminate debt, watch this video, watch this message. So first, do not eliminate debt unless it is a bad debt. A good debt is important because all paper currency is debt. So what you want is you want to learn how not to eliminate debt and then use that debt in your favor to build your assets and your cash flows. So we grew up with a mindset that, oh, all debt is bad. Why don't I just pay my property and I own all of it? Why would you want to do that? Because debt is always a good thing as long as it generates cash flow. And if you don't do that, then you are doing race against time. Eventually, you will run out of time. So it's a very poor idea of eliminating debt, especially if it's a good debt. However, if the debt is bad, then it is absolutely important to eliminate your debt. But understand the psychology of why eliminating debt is usually not important. Again, feel free to follow, subscribe, and leave your comments. I would love to hear from you.